नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम व अन अनसिन क़ाल अनफजना अर्नबन बिमर्रि ज़हरान फ़अख़ज़्तुहा फ़अतैतु बिहा अबा तल्हा फ़ज़बहहा वबअस इला रसूलिल्लाहि सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम बिवरिकिहा व फ़ख़िज़ैहा फ़क़बिला मुत्तफ़क़ुन अलैहि. It is narrated from Anas radiyallahu anhu that I chased rabbit in Marwa Zahran, caught it, and brought to the Abu Talhah radiyallahu anhu, who slaughtered and sent me with his thighs and haunches to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he accepted it. It is narrated in Bukhari or Muslim. So, from this hadith we come to know that acceptance of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam shows that rabbit is permissible, is allowed, is lawful in Islam. So which animals are unlawful? As we come to know from the hadith that Holy Prophet ﷺ forbade on the day of the Khabar that every carnivorous animal with canine teeth is unlawful, is prohibited in Islam. Second, every bird with its claws is unlawful in Islam. The third one, the animal or the bird is tied up and targeted, is unlawful. And the next one is the animal snatched by a man from the wolf, but it dies before the slaughter. And the next one is the domestic donkey. So these are the unlawful in Islam. So this hadith is narrated by the Anas radiyallahu anhu. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu was a great companion of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was born in 612 and died in 712 when he was 100 years old. So the nickname of the Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu was Abu Hamza, as Hamza is the name of the vegetable which he used to pick. So Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the Abdullah bin Mas'ud radiyallahu anhu, Abdullah bin Abbas radiyallahu anhu, and Abu Musa Ashari, Abu Zar Ghaffari radiyallahu anhum were the great teachers of the Anas radiyallahu anhu. So Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu narrated 2,286 traditions from Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, out of which 128 in the Bukhari and the Muslim books. So the mother of the Anas radiyallahu anhu was the Sulaim radiyallahu anhu. Sulaim radiyallahu anhu accepted the Islam when Anas radiyallahu anhu was 9 years old. So after the death of her husband, Sulaim radiyallahu anhu remarried to the Abu Talhah radiyallahu anhu. So when the Holy Prophet ﷺ migrated from Makkah to Medina, Sulaim radiyallahu anhu brought Anas radiyallahu anhu to the Prophet ﷺ as a slave. So Anas radiyallahu anhu provided services to the Holy Prophet ﷺ for 10 years, as he did not listen word of with anger from Holy Prophet ﷺ. So this was the best dealing of Holy Prophet ﷺ with the Anas radiyallahu anhu. Anas radiyallahu anhu remained with the Holy Prophet ﷺ from Fajr prayer till Zohar, and he also came to provide service in the second time. So Holy Prophet ﷺ also touched the hairs of Anas radiyallahu anhu. So Sulaim radiyallahu anhu advised Anas radiyallahu anhu that don't cut your hairs. So from this hadith we come to know that lawful and unlawful animals or things are discussed in the hadith and are fully explained, clear. So we should obey Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We must follow the Holy Prophet ﷺ as followed by the companions of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So after viewing this, thus share it so that it would become sadqa jariyah for you. So may Allah help us to understand the Quran and the Sunnah. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.